Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring a sentiment out of this brand new stamp set called Simply Succulents. I'm going to be doing a online class with this shortly, but I thought I would just steal the sentiments out of it. So I'm investigating the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper, and I am trying to figure out which of the Golden Garden acetates go with whatever designer series paper there was, because I had a few questions about it. And I noticed that this one matches up quite nicely. The thing that when you're working with acetate and you're filming and you have bright lights on, it's very difficult to see. So I apologize for the circle glaring there. If you turn the acetate around and pick at one corner, you're going to be able to remove a little plastic coating. I think this is to prevent like scratches and maybe to cut down the amount of static electricity. I'm not sure. What I do know is that I really didn't notice a difference with it on or off. And well, except for maybe just a little bit of thickness. It was so anyway, if you forgot to do that with when you got this acetate, you're going to be okay. I did remove it off of everything. And I'm going to use this one, this design, because I already cut into it. And I've had some questions because I had some technical difficulties a couple of Fridays ago when I made a box with this acetate and designer series paper, and people were saying, well, we didn't see you adhere the acetate to the paper. So I thought I would go over that today and also make a quick, simple card. So here is the sentiment from the Simply Succulents stamp set, and it says, you make the ordinary extraordinary. And I'm stamping right on the designer series paper because it does have a little bit of white space. I love white space, and I love the font on this particular stamp set. So, and it's Monday, it's a simple card, so I try not to die cuts or anything like that when I make my Mondays cards. All right, so and you saw how I cut the acetate and the paper. I cut them together so that there wouldn't be any slipping or sliding or any, irregularity or whatever. At least I know that the things that I cut are going to be equal in and straight. So I flipped the acetate around, and now I am with my Tombow glue dotting, like little tiny dots of glue on the silver part, or the silver back, I guess, of the acetate. I am going along where the flowers or where the image is on. And like I said, it's dotted. So I'm not squeezing at all on that bottle. There is not a lot of glue gush. It is like you're tapping very little, but you're going along quite the distance. And you do have to move quickly. So I flip the acetate over, and I'm careful to avoid, getting it stuck anywhere. And on that one side, on my left side, I managed not to have any glue. So I was able to put the paper and the acetate together. And you can see I'm not even squishing it. I just place them together. So what happens is the paper is absorbent, and it will sort of absorb a little bit of the wetness of the glue. So you're not going to squish it out too much. And I know, like when you put something, say plastic and plastic, both of those are non-porous surfaces, so you would get some squish of glue. But because we have a porous surface, which is the paper, and a non-porous surface, which is the acetate, when you glue those two together, the paper will absorb some of the moisture. So you're not going to get a lot of, leakage if you're gentle with it. And you can see that I am. I have a basic white card base here, and I'm not pushing down very hard at all. I even put the adhesive on the card base before I press everything down. Now, I have this is a whoosh cloth, and I use it for all my technological, like my computer screen and my cameras and whatnot. So I sprayed a little bit of the whoosh solution, and I'm just wiping it clean, getting my fingerprints off. Then I decide to go in with the opal rounds because I want to put glue behind the opal rounds. That top left side of the acetate, although it is not flipping out, it's a possibility that it could. So I thought what I would do is just bend the acetate back a little bit and put a little bit of my Tombow adhesive, wet adhesive here. And that is my simple share for today, and I hope it clears up any questions that you might have had on an earlier project and how to adhere your acetate sheets to this lovely paper. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.